Hello, I'm Brad Tetzloff. I'm the TGM here at Remington and Winnemac. I spent a majority of my career in service manager at the Winnemac location. Today we're going to talk about some post-harvest equipment inspection and maintenance items that we recommend after a long season. One of the big things that we run into and see a lot is a lot of mouse damage and stuff like that from combines, tractors, sprayers, whatever it is. From not getting them blown off, clean, and that kind of stuff after season. That's something that Bain Welker can do for you. We can bring it in, blow it off, clean it, wash it, grease it, which is very important after pressure washing a machine. Get all the water out of the bearings. It's very important to grease a machine after you pressure wash them off. You can get water in those bearings, which can cause them, if they just sit all summer, they're going to rust and cause premature bearing failure. If those bearings fail, prematurely from water ingestion or something, we could cause a lot more downtime, which nobody can afford to have today. It's also very important to bring your grain cart tractor in, get it inspected, especially if you're using that machine for planting next spring. That will be here before we know it. If you bring your tractor in, you can bring it in right after harvest. We can clean it, we can wash it, service it, inspect it, do fluid samples on it, make sure everything is up to snuff for next spring's planting. Fluid sampling is something that we've really kind of dug into in the last year when doing our inspections. We have found numerous machines that we've been able to find issues with before season. That's created a lot less downtime for the farmer. As harvest is nearing the end here, we'll walk out to the shop here and go over a couple maintenance parts and points and things to look at on a combine. One of the important things that needs to be done on these combines is make sure that we open all the doors, clean out doors, run the machine, remove the lower doors, blow all that old material out of there. That's a good place for mice to accumulate and get food for the winter. After we're done running and cleaning it and pressure washing and all that, make sure and grease all your chains so they don't get all rusty over the winter. I like to leave all these covers off as it sits, just so water or something like that doesn't accumulate in them. A very common location for debris to build up on this series machine is on top of the batteries, back here behind the chopper bearing area. Make sure and get that cleaned out really good and blown out. Another important place to make sure that you get all the debris out of is on top of the fuel tank. Very common for debris to get built up there and get left. Very nice place for mice to build nests, rats to eat through fuel tanks. Very important to get that cleaned out. Up here in the bottom of the grain tank, there's two doors that you can open up. Make sure you get all the debris out of the bottom of the tank so it doesn't rust the bottom of the grain tank. As we prepare for the 26th season, get a hold of your local service manager. They can help you with any of your maintenance or inspection needs.